It doesn't matter if you're a car enthusiast or not, we all love a shiny looking car. However, there's a lot of work going into maintaining that look on a vehicle. It takes a lot of effort and substances. One of the most used tools in car polishing is the electric car polisher. A car polisher is an electric device used to restore a car paint. They are often confused with car buffers, which are almost the same thing. The difference is in the way they apply polish to a surface via mechanical ways. Polishers and buffers have two different types, based on the pad's rotation. This can be orbital or rotary. The polishing process restores the paint's original look and makes it shinier. On the other hand, the buffering process also modifies and improves the paint or clear coat. Description: the Black & Decker car polisher runs on a random orbit at 4,400 orbits per minute. This will allow you to achieve a scratch and swirl-free paint finish. It will also help you greatly decrease the polishing process time and get it done in no time. You will be able to restore your car's paint without too much manual effort. Thanks to the 10-foot cord, you'll have all the space you need to polish your vehicle or boat. It will help you get the job done without being limited by the cord's length. You can also use it on anything that needs some polishing, not just cars. If you have a table that would need some polishing, you can use this device. With a two-handle design, you can increase its accuracy and apply as much pressure as needed. Both handles are comfortable to hold and are designed to hold off as much of the vibrations as possible. This will allow you to use it for longer without hurting your hands in the process. It also reduces fatigue. The Black & Decker car polisher is a durable and easy-to-use car polisher. Its two handles allow you to work swiftly and offer the comfort you need. If you're looking for a great quality car polisher, you might want to take this product for a spin. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.